In front of me is Redmi Turbo, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. Begin by opening an app you wish to use in this view and then accessing tab menu. Now you need to find this shortcut called floating windows, and when you find it, click on it when your app is open. Then tap on this tiny window, and as you can see now, I can use my app in pop-up view. To move it around, hold those three dots at the top and drag it. To scale it, hold one of its corners and drag it as well. If you want to use more options of pop-up view, click on those three dots and operate all of those however you want to. To use your app in full screen view, hold the lower line and drag it all the way down, and to close it, hold the same one and drag it all the way up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!